Go.
Hi guys, I am Guru, celebrity hair and makeup artist. I am super excited to announce this good news with you guys. ColorBar has launched this amazing skincare range which is called Vita Hemp skincare products. Now we have got the hemp seed oil in these products. Now what is hemp seed oil? Hemp seed oil basically is a cold press oil which is the main ingredient in these products, which comes all the way from Germany. Now these products are really good for your skin restoring and balancing. If you have any kind of a premature aging sign or pigmentation or any kind of a skin related issue, now these products will help you to sort of balance your skin texture and your skin appearance. Now also these products are 100% vegetarian, derma tested, and also good for all kind of skin. In this range we've got 3 products. There is serum, there is oil, and there is moisturizer. Now I've been using these products from past 2 days because I just received the package. What I feel, the texture of these products is really light. They don't feel or they don't make your skin look very greasy unlike other skincare products, so I'm very happy about that. Also, just in 2 days my skin feels so much better. My skin texture has improved, so I think definitely people who have concern with their skin appearance, skin texture, definitely should try this out. Now these are few of my quick reviews about these products. I would love to hear what are yours.